everyone, welcome back to Ady's Learning Zone. I hope you have seen the Part A video on the topic of sentences. In this Part 2, we are going to see the sentences according to their structures. In Part A, we have seen sentences according to the function. Now, let's start the sentences according to the structure. They are divided into four types. One is simple, second one compound, third one complex, and fourth one compound complex. Let's see some of the clauses or the rules before going into the structural sentences. A clause is a group of words that functions as a part of speech. It contains a subject and a verb, and the clauses are divided into two parts: dependent clause, independent clause. Let's see what is a independent clause. Independent sentence contains subject and a verb, and it can stand alone, or I can say it stands alone. Example: you will succeed. You is a subject and succeed is a verb. Now let's see dependent clause. Dependent sentence also contains a subject and a verb, but it cannot stand alone. It stands by the help of the subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction is nothing but a link to make a dependent sentence to independent sentence. Example: if you work hard, you will succeed. Work hard, you will succeed. To make it a independent sentence, we do use a word of if. If you work hard, you will succeed. So, these type of words are called subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions. I hope you understand the rules or the clauses of the structural sentences. Now let's see a simple sentence, which is a first type of structure sentence. Simple sentence. A simple sentence contains at least one complete verb. At least one complete verb. And the second point, verb must agree with the subject. The verb must agree with the subject and show its tense of the sentence. I hope you understood my point. The verb should agree with the subject and show its tense. Either it's a future tense, present tense, or past tense of the sentence. Let's see the example. Kittu hit the ball. In this sentence, Kittu is a subject. Hit is a verb. It's a simple sentence, and also we have a subject and one verb. Example 2. Vidya forgot books. Vidya forgot books. Vidya is a, yes, you are correct, subject, and forgot is a verb. And second sentence, compound sentence contains of two independent clauses joined together by coordinating conjunction. Example: he was thirsty, he drank water. Both are independent sentences. We are going to join them together by using a conjunction. He drank the water as he was thirsty. He drank the water as he was thirsty. As is a conjunction in the sentence. Let's see some more conjunction words. For, and, but, so, although, if, at. These are the some of the conjunction words. Now let's see the third sentence, which is complex sentence. A complex sentence contains of an independent clause and a dependent clause. Example, although the girl studied hard. This sentence shows us that it is a dependent because we used here the word of although. She failed in the exams, which is a independent clause. Let's put the example together. Although the girl studied hard, she failed in the examination or exams. This is called complex sentence. Let's see one more example. Although my friends requested me, I choose not to go to movie. Now let's see compound complex sentence. Compound complex sentence contains of two independent clause and at least one dependent clause. We all know what is independent clause and dependent clause. Independent clause, the sentence which stands alone, but dependent clause take the help of the conjunction. Example, Aman must be at the work early today because there is a meeting in the office, but he is feeling sick. When you observe this sentence, Aman must be at the work early today, which is a independent clause, because there is a meeting at the office, which is a dependent clause. He is feeling sick, again, which is a independent clause. If you see the sentence, there are two independent clause and one dependent clause. So that's the reason this is the example of compound complex. Now I would like to tell you one sentence and please do tell me what are the independent clauses in the sentence and what are the dependent clauses in the sentence. Here is my question. Because I worked hard, got A plus on the test. I was so happy. So please find out the independent clauses and the dependent clause which are there in the sentence. Thank you. Please do watch, share and subscribe to Aaddy's Learning Zone for more videos.